Hi guys, in today's video, this is what I'm going to be sharing with you today, how to remove top drain. I'm going to replace it. Alright, so I'm just going to teach you how to remove it. So this is my favorite tool right here when it comes to that, very handy. So yeah, I'm gonna have to put some strength on it, I hope. All right. Wow. So I'm gonna replace it, all right? Make sure that you clean up just the excess mess right here. Alright, so with these types, they come with an adapter. So I'm using the adapter with it. That's it, guys. And then you just put in your cover. All right, that's it.